Good afternoon, YouTubes. Kronk is 36 here. Today we're gonna try to fix this garage door here. Has some metal plates I gotta put on the outsides of the door. The right side ripped out here. It ripped a big hole in the aluminum in the cold. This door has always been screwed up. It's actually too big. It was bought at a rummage sale. So it was put up like 25, 30 years ago, and big windstorm the night we got the snowstorm, and it blew the top end. So the insurance company, health insurance, is going to cover it and put a new door on there. But my grandparents are in the 80s and need something to operate. Right now we can't use the, if you can see it, can't use the electric garage door opener, and it's actually a little bit hard when you're in the 80s to be worked on that door. So I'll show you here. If you can see that or not, right there, it's broke out of there. So I'm going to put a piece of strap in there and put the roller on that, and hopefully it'll get us through the month it's going to take to order the door and get it installed. But we'll make do with this until it comes. So I'll get all set up here. And get back to you when I got everything going. Talk to you then. Well, I got one hole drilled. I don't know if you can see that or not. And I got the other one all marked out. Now I gotta see if I can get through there. And that is what we're looking at right there. Now I figure drill another couple holes in there, and then we gotta make room and mount the roller right here somewhere. Yeah, right about in here. Looks like on the other side there. Yeah, we gotta mount that thing. See, this side here is all bent up too, so I got another piece of metal. Where is it? Right here. I'm gonna put on there. Do both sides. Hopefully I'll make it through the month. I don't know what's taking so long, if it's just other things they have to do or what, but they say it'll take it a month for a regular aluminum. Not a fiberglass one like this, but a regular aluminum door with the tracks and everything for $640. But you can see these tracks here. I don't know if you can see that or not. These were put in way wrong. If you look down them, they're all wavy, and this door was always a piece of crap. We had nothing a problem with it. Me and my brother actually, if you can see that, put that piece of metal in, starting right there, all the way over to there, because the door actually, from the opener pushing on it, split right in the middle there. So we got a piece of channel and fix it then. That was last winter, late last winter, so we made it all the way up until now before this door broke. I'm sure it's because of what we put on there, but regardless, the door was shot anyways. So I'm going to get back at it. I'll switch it on when we get some progress made here. Well, we got one side fixed, and we already tried it once. It's going up pretty good, but now we got to fix this side. I hammered it down here quite a bit. It's cracked. It's cracked big time early. So we'll put this this strap there and get it squared again. So we'll be back in a little bit once I get this mounted. Oh, there she is, folks. Sorry I didn't film it, but it was kind of hard. I had to put my hands in here, put my fingers in there to hold the bolts. Bolts are a little bit long, but like I said, it's only going to have to last about 3 weeks or a month. So we'll try it out, see how it looks. Seems to be working alright. Seems to be opening pretty good. Right down. This is the side that was broke, right here. So we'll give that a try for a while, and hopefully it'll work for a while now. Who knows, they could break tomorrow. We don't really care, because the new one's on its way anyway. So anyways, just to let you know, you'll be getting more vlogs, sort of things, every day now. As I get on my feet here and get used to the cold. It's been holding at 10 degrees there lately. At night it gets down to about 5, but they're calling for a cold streak to be coming in here in the next week or so. It's supposed to get down to almost 0 and -5, -10 at night. So as you can tell, I'm all stuffed up and I got bad sinuses. So anyways, we'll get back to you later. My kid might be doing a video game later. Who knows with him? Typical teenager. So we'll talk to you later. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you later, folks.